a PBT fusion ball and a mat. So this exercise, we're going to be focusing on our abdominal area, which will be building strength and working on that pelvic stability and really supporting the spine area. Now, before doing this exercise, make sure that you do the previous exercise around the world and build strength, as this exercise is the extension and you'll be doing this exercise 4 times through. So to begin, we're going to lie down onto our backs, bringing our legs hip width apart, feet parallel, so our knees are in line with our toes. We're going to take hold of the ball and take it behind us in a 5th position. So from this position, we're going to take our right leg up to a tabletop, and then the left leg is going to join. As we exhale, we curl the chest forward, our shoulders are dropping down, a little space between the chin and chest. From here, we're going to take the ball in the right hand and it opens out to second. We circle it around behind the backs of the legs, we switch hands and it goes around into our 5th position. And we go again, circle around. As we're doing this, we're keeping the hips nice and still, the shoulders are dropping down. And we go for our 3rd time. Around the backs of the legs, keeping the knees hip width. We take the arms to 5th, we hold it there. We keep the legs where they are as we lower the arms and body down. And then we curl the chest and we repeat to the left side. So we go to the left arm, making sure that as we're circling, we're using the head. So we're really following that port de bras. So we're keeping the neck and shoulders nicely relaxed. So the 2nd time, making sure that we're breathing throughout. 3rd time, we circle it around behind the backs of the legs, opening out. We take it to 5th, hold. We lower the body down and we curl back up, holding there. We repeat it once more on each side. Then to finish the exercise, you lower the body down. We lower the right leg, we lower the left leg, and take a breath to relax. Right leg up, left leg joins, and we circle, following the port de bras, relaxing the shoulders, working those abdominals, keeping the hips nice and still, and we take the body down, use your breath, abdominals activate to curl forward, left side. Good, very nice. Keeping those knees hip width apart. Reaching, relax the shoulders. 3rd time. Slowly lower the body. And curl forward. We repeat, right side. Feel the core drawing in. Remember to breathe. 3rd time, opening. Good. And lower the body. Take a breath. Curl forward. Last time, left arm. Bring it behind. And up. Keeping the hips and knees really still. 3rd time. Lower the body, then the right foot through the foot, left leg lowers to finish.